Hey guys, we're gonna do another unboxing. I got 2 packages on the way, so I have to open this up before it's, my living room becomes a brick wall of comics. Come on, open up. You know what? Let's see what's happening. Violence does not always work. How about this? Yes, yes. All right. Damn, I got a stressful week this week, so I'm happy to let's get some new comics. I'll do. What about the other comics, Marinus? Did you read them? Well, most of them. Well, and most of them not. Yeah, I'm contradicting myself. Okay, let's put this in here and see what we got. They are evenly thick. Yeah. Wait a minute. So it's one of these Facebook groups as usual. Got me some old, got me some new, got me some cool stuff. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, forgot about this one. So, how is your day, guys? I mean, it's pretty warm in here. It's about 26 degrees, Fahrenheit, but in European time. All right. I got me some Tales of the Titans because, well, how can you not love George Perez and the Titans, right? Looks so cool. Got me a Wonder Woman, an old one. Really nice. Got me an, I believe it's issue 5 of Nemesis Reloaded. Issue 2 is still on the way, so I cannot do a further review until I get there, so which is unfortunate. So you have to wait, guys, but it's coming. Got me a Junkyard Joe issue number 6. Still number 2 is nowhere to be found. I don't get it. Got me also in the Hulk. We can open this up, why not? Got me a Changeling, Tales of the Titans. And also a Blue Beetle with the Madman. Got me a Secret Origin starring the Crimson Avenger. Also another Titan book. I got me a couple of Titans, by the way, as you can see here. I'm not sure if this... Atari Force. Is this Michael Golden's cover? I'm not sure. You know what? I'm going to open up a couple of them. But we're going to continue with the Titans. Wait a minute, I got a double? No, not again. Oh well, it's gone up for sale. Got me another Justice League of America. And an All-Star. First issue. Number 1. Hell yeah. Gonna open this up well. Got me also a Defenders. I'm pretty sure I have this one too, but cannot be sure. Yeah. Classic Defenders, really cool. Got me a Squadron, or an All-Star Squadron with Uncle Sam. Liberty Bell. The Ray, I guess. Forgot about this name. Dollman. Something like that. Yeah. Great stuff. Got me another All-Star Squadron with Steel. That's a robot, I guess. Wait a minute. How? Well, it can work. I mean, come on. Another Green Lantern. Cool. what is this all about? Yeah. Pretty nice. You know what? We're gonna open up the Young All-Star number 1 because I want to know what's inside. Come carefully. Oh wow, it starts really good. Man, so much fun back in the day. A lot of these characters I don't know, and it makes it, you know, fun for me to figure out who they are, where they're coming from. Nice. All right, this looks cool. I love it so far. Access America. All right. Where's the wait a minute. Oh, here it is. Let me put this back in the bag. All right. Start with the Hulk. Is it still on? Yeah, we're still filming, just to make sure. Let me put this out and then readjust that. Yeah, here we go. This is with the girl that comes from another planet, I believe. Ah, this is one that I reviewed, you know, from the time period with Kang. And this is the continuation. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, man. Sal Buscema. More ads. Jesus. MODOK. Yeah. Look at this awesome creation. Do you know who this is? I know. I'm not going to spoil. Well, since I don't have the other one yet, no, I can show it you. Why not? I mean, it's no use making a review if you not have a continuation about, you know, because the story continues. So it's none other than, well, not this. The Abomination. Dun, dun, dun. Pretty cool. Classic Abomination. Love it. Right. And I got me, yeah, I want to show the Doctor Strange. Because I wonder, it's a pretty good condition. I'm not really a Doctor Strange fan that I need to have these comics, but sometimes I look at the art and I said, you know, I'm gonna try this one. Does it say who's the artist? No. But it looks cool. He has an eye patch. Why? Don't know. Rintrah. Another character that I know, but not all too familiar with. Well, looks cool so far. We'll see if it's holding up. Okay, and then we have something that I really want for a very long time, but it's really hard to find. Oh, wait a minute, it's not this, but you know, I can show you anyway. So another Green Lantern. I know I can't get them all, but oh no. 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 Please. Get in. Just in time. What I wanted to say, I know I cannot get them all, but you know, if I can get it, I will get it. So, where is the... Why am I missing that? I'm missing something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. What's the number 1? Wait a minute. Before I show you this, I first wanted to know that I have everything. I guess so. Yeah, okay, I got it. I get it, but it was another brick. I'm the brickmaster. Come on, get out of the freaking plastic. Here it comes. Maybe. Yeah. You know, in the meantime, I can show you another comic. Starfire. Another Titans. I got me a couple of Titans, like I said before. I got Vol 2 almost complete. This is, I believe, Volume 1. I have to make sure because there's a lot of, you know. Oh, we're gonna open this up. There's a lot of books of the Titans. Okay, now we come a little bit to the newer stuff, but first of all, I'm gonna, you know, show you some awesome George Paris covers. But I also got some old school Flash. Pretty cool. Wait, it has Wildcat and the other Green Lantern. Pretty nice. So, I got me also something new, but again, since it's also limited, I get I believe the third printing, because this one is going like hotcakes, and I issue 2 is gone again. So I hope I'm lucky in getting the rest, but you know. So we're gonna open that up. We're gonna have a new Dawn Attack with the Frank Frazetta cover, issue number 4. So, do I? I need to check that out. Lost my train of thought. Micronauts, a number 1, haha. Oh, it's the new Voyager, not the original one. Well, it doesn't matter. Got me a Cloak and Dagger, also a number 1. And I got me a West Coast Avengers in issue number 2. I got issue number 1 as well. I believe this is also volume 2. I don't need everything. I believe I'm going to buy the trade paperback since there's so much comics. And I don't want to wait for, you know, collect them all. Some classic Justice League of America. Also, well, another one. Like I said, there's so many of them. But, you know, I like that, you know, with the original Satana costume. Also, got me a Space Bandits by Mark Millar. I heard great things about that. It's, I believe, a 4, 5, 6 miniseries. You know, like, why not? Why not open it up? Let's go open it up. I can show you. Fortunately, I don't have the rest. I don't know, Space Dandy. Space Dandy is a great anime, by the way. Look it up, Space Dandy. Freaking fantastic. That looks great. No complaints there. All right, let's leave it here for now. Okay, put this aside. I'm going to show you a little bit more, guys. Don't worry. I got me a Captain Comet with Superman. Captain Comet was a favorite of mine. I don't know. He always reminded me of. Sorry, the sun is shining in my eyes. I need to remove myself a little bit from its presence. I don't know. It has nothing to do with other cosmic beings like Captain Marvel. I have always have a soft spot for these kind of characters. And later, I believe 2008, 2010, There was a new reincarnation of Captain Comet and it was freaking amazing. Great art, great storyline. I loved it a lot. So yeah, by the way, my Micronauts. I got me an Iron Man with the Ghost. Another obscure character that I do not know much about, since I'm not collecting Iron Man comics a lot. More Justice League. But, yeah. Against the Teen Titans. Pretty cool. John Byrne, of course. You can see it in his art. So, this is what we're talking about. We stand on guard. Just give me a second, guys. I'm getting crazy of the sun shining in my eyes all the time. Wait a minute. Here we go. This is way better. All right. So this is very hard to get. I mean, maybe not in America, but for me, this is very hard to get. But it seems this is what I've seen, what I've read is very cool. I get them all. I'm gonna open one up. So, but before I can show you issue number 2. 3, sorry. 4 is the Green Lantern one. 5. 6. Yeah. All right. So let's open it up now. Why not? Okay. Start with issue number 1. All right. Robots, droids. Skipping a few pages. Giant mechs. I'm pretty sure I'm going to review this one. Hell yeah. Let's leave it at that for now. Some more pages. Yeah. All right. This is cool. Put this one back in the bag. So I'm gonna show you a little bit more, and I'm gonna show you the ambassadors first. So I believe this is also from Mark Millar. Every issue has another artist, I believe. This is with Frank Quitely. That's how you say it. All right. I love Frank Quitely's art. A lot. He's an amazing artist. No. Stop doing this. Stop doing all black. Modern comics. Can't say what this is all about, but if I get the whole complete one, I'm just gonna review it. But, oh wow. All right. Cool. A crossover. I'm gonna show you a couple others as well. But before we do that, we're gonna do more Starfire with the Harbinger, I guess. Paris cover. Iron Man with the living laser. I love this costume. You know, the Centurion costume? Is that how you say it? Pretty cool. More Titans. Ooh, this is the Raven I remember, not the modern one. Nice. Look at this clawed hand. Mark Wolfman. Yeah. Holy shit. Oh, man. George, I miss you, man. Another Defenders. And another Flash. You know, this it was the Silver Age. This has all these crazy adventures and crazy comics. It's just, well, crazy. And oh yeah, got me also another Nightclub, so we can continue to review this issue 4 or 5. Where's issue 4? Did I order that? Oh man, I have to figure that out again. Last but not least, I want to show you Astrobot. So I believe this is a new publisher called Massive, I guess. No, it calls Whatnot. This is I heard very, very good things about that. Whatnot Publishing. And I believe this is more the answer to, well, Transformers. Art looks really good. Great quality paper as well. It has a different vibe. I never knew this. I never understand, you know, why robots need a cloak. Well, you can say the sand, but the sand goes in everywhere. It doesn't work. But hey, it's probably for the cool factor, right? Anyway. I mean, it looks good. Yeah. More stuff. Some cool covers. Yeah. All right. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. More stuff is coming soon. Leave a like and all that jazz, and subscribe to my channel if you like what you're seeing. See you next time. Bye-bye, guys.